Hello my beautiful people. For today's video, it's another Dollar Tree video. I'm going to be using the candlesticks from the Dollar Tree, one of the round silver platters, some of the E6000 glue. Let's get started. So I am going to take these two candle holders. I'm going to just go around the edge with a little bit of the E6000. And then put them together. It should look like this. Now that I have both pieces together, I'm going to go ahead and put some glue around this top edge and add my tray on like so. I am just gonna eyeball it. And there's a little pattern right on the center of the silver platter. So all I'm doing is kind of making sure that the bottom is aligned with that circle. And I do need to look at it from below also. Yeah, that looks good. Now I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and I'm gonna make a couple of smaller ones and come back and show you what they look like. On this one, I'm only gonna use one candle holder because I want it to be smaller than the first one. Okay, so they are all complete, and I think for what they cost that this is a really good deal. This one, if you already have the glue, this costs $3 to make. The other two only cost $2 each. So I think this is a really good deal if you like to entertain but you want it to be inexpensive, or this could be good for a gift for someone who likes to entertain. My niece is using this for her daughter's first birthday party. I forgot to tell you a couple of things. Number one, for this, when it was drying, I turned it upside down like this, and I did place a couple of books on it, something heavy, anything you have that you can place on top of it, just so that it would not shift while it was drying. I think also that this turned out really high-end looking, and I'd love for y'all to let me know down below in the comments if you think it looks high-end. Also, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for joining me here at SameChickDifferentDay. Subscribe, hit that like button, and share this with your friends and family. The holidays are coming up. I know you've got a birthday party to go to, or somewhere where you could use these beautiful cupcake stands or cake plates, and I just think they turned out beautiful. I love them. I hope you love them too. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye bye my beautiful people. Mwah.